Hello friends, it's Jim O'Rear. Welcome back to Jim O'Rear's Wacky World. Now, if you are a Walt Disney fan and have been to Walt Disney, I'm sure that you probably know about the Mickey-shaped beignets that you can get over at the Port Orleans French Quarter Resort. If you do not know about these, you gotta have them. So, the beignets, if you don't know what they are they're like a French pastry. It is basically a fried dough that is covered in powdered sugar. And it's kind of a cross between, I guess you would say, a donut and a churro, sort of. And man, are they so good, especially fresh out of that fryer. And if you didn't know about these, we're gonna show you how we go over to Port Orleans, because you can't normally get in there unless you've got a reservation or something like that. But we're gonna show you how we go over to Port Orleans and get beignets when we want to try them, and sort of what they look like. And you got, man, you got to have these. So take a look.
As I mentioned, you usually can't get in Port Orleans French Quarter unless you have a reservation or something like that. So what we do is we go over to Disney Springs and Park, and we get on the boat. And the boat it's a nice, relaxing 15-20 minute ride down the river. Takes you right over to Port Orleans French Quarter, which is right there. You notice that it's set up kind of like the French Quarter. And then when you dock, it's not a very far walk to the main entrance of Port Orleans French Quarter, right there. And inside, you're going to go into Scat Cat's Club Cafe. And this is a cool little cafe that's got snacks and drinks. It's next to a location where they play music at night, and we caught it at just the right time because usually this queue line is full with people. And on the menu, you'll see it's mostly just Mickey-shaped beignets, specialty beignets, beignet sundaes, Baton Rouge beignets, and drinks. Now, they are having a special Haunted Mansion beignet, which has some cookies and cream and marshmallow frosting right there. Looks like that, but we weren't here for that. We wanted the classics. You can see some other styles that they have there. Also a cool little thing. They had this Playful Spirits Spooky Margarita that they had on the menu. We didn't try that, but when we go back, we'll have to try it. But it was all there for Halloween and the Haunted Mansion movie. But the classic beignet looks like this. It is just this fried dough with powdered sugar sprinkled all over the top, and that is some yummy goodness right there. And you notice when you look on the inside, look at that. Look at that. So well cooked. That is a Mickey-shaped beignet.
Those are so good. So good, man. So if you are at Walt Disney World and you're not going over and getting beignets at Port Orleans French Quarter, you are missing out on a really great sweet treat. So I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you have, click that like button to let the powers that be know that you like the video. And while you're at it, click on follow or subscribe, and you'll be notified when I upload new videos. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.